हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड when hydrogen atom is clamped between two strong electronegative elements out of home, that is chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen. Then hydrogen bond is obtained. It is weak bond and represented by dotted line. HF, 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 HF. Here hydrogen is situated between F and F. Then hydrogen bond will set up. Hydrogen bond will be represented by dotted line. Here hydrogen is also situated between F and F. Fluorine, two strong electronegative elements. Like this. The hydrogen bond is of the two types, that is intramolecular hydrogen bond and intermolecular hydrogen bond. If hydrogen bond is set up between one kind of molecule, then it is regarded as intramolecular hydrogen bond. For example, hydrogen bond only in the ammonia molecule, only in alcohol molecules or water molecules. On other hand, if hydrogen bond is set up between different kind of molecules, then it is said to be intermolecular hydrogen bond. For example, when liquid ammonia is added in water or alcohol is added in water, the alcohol is of the one kind and water is of the another kind of molecules. If hydrogen bond is set up between two different types of molecules, then it is said to be intermolecular hydrogen bond. When we mix 100 ml alcohol and 100 ml water, then volume of mixture will not equal to 200 milliliter. When 50 milliliter liquid ammonia and 50 milliliter water are mixed to each other, then volume of this mixture will be not equal to 100 milliliter. It is due to intermolecular attractive force that diminished, means decreased the volume due to formation of hydrogen bond. H2O is liquid at room temperature, while H2S is in gaseous phase, in gaseous state. Oxygen and sulfur both belong to same group. As we know, member of a certain group possess similar properties, not only in physical sense but also in the chemical sense. Oxygen and sulfur both belong to same group, but physical state of their hydride of oxygen is H2O and hydride of sulfur is H2S gas, hydrogen sulfide gas. The physical state of hydride of both oxygen and sulfur have different physical state. One is liquid while other is gas. It is due to the formation of hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond possible in water, while hydrogen bond does not set up in the H2S. Due to formation of hydrogen bond, H2O exists in all the three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solid form of H2O is known as ice. Liquid form of H2O is known as water, and gaseous phase of H2O is known as vapor. Due to formation of much hydrogen bond, solid state of H2O is obtained. In that, there are a lot of vacancies in the crystal, so volume increases and density becomes minimum. So this is the reason that solid state of H2O is lighter than that of its liquid state. It is unique example of the universe. In general sense, solid state of substance have high density in comparison to its liquid state, but this is reverse in the case of H2O. Solid state of H2O, that is ice, have low density than its liquid state than water, and this is reason that being lighter, being low density, ice floats at the surface of water. It is nothing but the effect of hydrogen bond. As I hope you have been read the RNA, DNA in high school in biology. The helical form of DNA is due to formation of hydrogen bond. One thread of nucleotide form hydrogen bond with the other thread of the nucleotide. The adenine of one thread forms hydrogen bond with guanine of adenine of one thread forms hydrogen bond with thymine of other, and guanine of one chain form hydrogen bond with cytosine of the other. So thus there are two types of DNA: AT rich, adenine thymine rich, and GC rich, guanine cytosine rich. It is due to the existence of hydrogen bond. Alcohol and ether are isomer of each other. CH3O CH3 methoxymethane, that is ether. It is isomer of ethanol, C2H5OH. Both have similar molar mass, but boiling point of ethanol is higher than that of the methoxymethane ether. It is due to the hydrogen bond. Alcohol forms hydrogen bond, thus gains extra stability. Hence, boiling point of alcohol is high rather than that of its corresponding, that is isomer ether. Now types of hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. If hydrogen bond is set up between one type of molecule, then it is known as intramolecular hydrogen bond. Example, only in water, only in alcohol, only in ammonia, only in orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. And this is orthonitrophenol. And this is paranitrophenol. Now intermolecular hydrogen bond. intermolecular hydrogen bond. If hydrogen bond is set up between different types of molecule, called intermolecular hydrogen bond. Example: hydrogen bond between alcohol and water, between water and ammonia, between two chain of DNA. Now dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole-dipole interaction. Dipolar means polar covalent compound. Opposite poles of each polar molecule interact to each other. HCl, another molecule of HCl, here two opposite poles of adjacent, that is neighbor molecules, interact to each other. The third type of interaction between opposite polar covalent compound known as dipole-dipole interaction. A question based on hydrogen bonding. Explain the following. H2O is liquid while H2S is gas at room temperature. Melting and boiling point of two nitrophenol. 2-nitrophenol means orthonitrophenol is lower than 4-nitrophenol. See, H2O water exists in all the three states, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Volume of the mixture of 100 ml water and 100 milliliter alcohol not equal to 200. Hint, do yourself on the basis of hydrogen